Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are all fine. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 7, and the name of the chapter is our helpers. So chapter 7, our helpers. So who are our helpers? There are many people who help us. There are many people who work for us. Different people do different type of jobs, and all are important for us. So let us see how these people are important for us. So our helpers. Who are our helpers? Like doctor, teacher, farmer, barber, postman, policeman, plumber, carpenter, tailor, and many more are there. So now let us take a look at each one of them, then how they are important for us. So here doctor. How does a doctor help us? When we fall sick, we all go to a doctor and he helps us. How does he help us? He gives us medicines, injections, and also takes care of us. Now teacher. In the school, who helps us? Our teacher. Our teacher helps us to read and write and also teaches us good manners and good behavior, good habit. So a teacher helps us in the school. A teacher teaches us. Farmer. What does the farmer do and how he helps us? A farmer grows food grains for us. Next is the barber. The barber is a person who cuts our hair. When our hair grows long, we go to a barber to get it cut. Postman. What does the postman do and how does he help us? The postman brings our letters. Policeman. What does the policeman do? The policeman maintains law and order in our neighborhood, and he also catches thieves and robbers. So the policeman is a person who catches thieves and robbers and he maintains the law and order in the neighborhood. Plumber. Who is a plumber? The plumber is a person who repairs our water taps and water pipes. When the taps of our bathroom or in the kitchen get spoiled, so we call the plumber. He comes and he repairs the taps and the pipes. Carpenter. So carpenter is a person who makes and repairs our furniture. Suppose a chair in our house is broken. So what does we do? we call the carpenter, he comes and he repairs the chair. Tailor. What is the work of the tailor? He stitches our clothes. When we want to get a dress stitched, we go to the tailor and he stitches our clothes. So students, all of these are our helpers. How they are important for us, I have explained you already. So we should always respect them. So what we have learned from this chapter is what? What are the points we should remember? That we cannot live alone. We need the help of all these helpers like doctor, teacher, farmer, barber, etc. They make our life easy and comfortable. So let us take a look at the chapter once more, that who is a doctor, a barber. See, this person is a farmer who grows our food grains. Then doctor, who treats the sick. He treats us when we are sick. A barber, he is a person who cuts our hair. Teacher, the teacher teaches us in the school. The policeman, who catches the thieves and robbers and he maintains law and order in the neighborhood. So students, if you have any problem regarding the chapter, if you have not understood anything, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.